How quick does an egg work? Prep myself first, can't just throw it in like that.
Great morning, Dave.
Good? Yeah. So fast, like dangerously fast.
Everybody needs an army in their life.
Well then, Jack.
What?
You can offer the vlog this week.
Oh, not a chance.
What do you mean?
Let me prep myself first. You can't just throw it in like that.
Shane, mate.
Yeah, not too bad. Yourself?
Yeah, how are we feeling for the weekend?
Yeah, good. Not been out on the bike as much as I'd like to, but yeah, feeling good for it anyway. Got out on the weekend, so hopefully blow out some cobwebs in practice and put in a good qualifying time.
What? Where are we sitting in the championship, mate?
Currently third in the championship. About 30 points, 40 points to second, and about 40 points to fourth. So sat in quite a comfortable place at the minute. So hopefully we can keep it, get 4 solid races in this weekend. Hopefully get a good finish. Podium finish for the rest of the season.
New bike?
New bike, yeah. So raced the last race on it. Made a mid-season change to the 2-stroke. So loving the 2-stroke at the minute. It's good that it's split this weekend. So the MX2. See how it holds up against the 250s this time.
Got a cable tie? Yeah. Okay. Same thing.
Huh?
I was going to ask you the same thing. What's that? For a cable tie.
Oh, fuck.
Saying, Chris?
Final round of MXGBY Youth, so yeah, currently third in the championship and then 8 points behind second, so we've got some points to make up, but yeah, I reckon we can do it.
How do you find that? How do you feel? Have you had a look at the track?
Yeah, I've had a look at the track, they've gripped it deep and watered it loads, so paddle tyres on, we'll be good to go.
Team mascot?
Have I loosened now?
Ross, what's happening? What's the weekend?
Yeah, literally just about to go out now for qualifying, bit of start practice. Track looks amazing, looking forward to it.
We've got a bottle of Radweld on the way. I nearly did drop an egg in. How quick does an egg work? Straight away?
I think so. I haven't seen anybody use one for years. But they used to use it in the cars years ago, wouldn't they? They would.
Someone else has just said use an egg as well. I'll run and get one from the van.
Yeah.
It's fun anyway, isn't it?
We get.
You have to crack it, Chris.
Take the gloves off.
Go give me an hand. Give me an hand.
It's all gone on the floor. What you put in the York on, it's just been weight, full lot. But half of it's gone on the floor.
Yeah, I'll take that.
How was that?
Yeah, good. It's real smooth at the minute, so you just drop into those sandy berms and give it some throttle, but just trying to save the bike at the minute because I've got a cracked radiator. So we cracked an egg into it this morning just before quali. She's held together, but we'll get some Radweld in her and we'll be good to go for the weekend.
How How'd you get qualified, mate?
Yeah, not too bad. We was the first out, so the track was a bit soft, shall we say. But no, I enjoyed it. Not really much of a qualifier. I prefer to just get on with the racing, so we'll see how race 1 goes.
Yeah, good, ready for it. It's nice and wet, nice and deep, should be good. Let's have it. Good. Good. Come on, up.
How'd you get on quality, mate?
Finished 19th, new track, liked it, but it was slick, fast track, so we'll see how we get on the next one.
How'd you get on qualified, mate?
So, it weren't too bad. The track was deep, and the last time I rode was on a 450, so the old 250 felt a bit sluggish. But yeah, it was good. Hopefully we just do a bit better in the races. Finish the season strong. Maybe, I think it's one spot up for grabs in the championship, so I could get to P6, but we'll see.
Yeah, not too bad, steady away, didn't really get a proper lap in, but yeah, good to go for race 1 now. So yeah, we'll see what she's like.
Yeah, qualifying wasn't too bad, not the best. Sat in 8th position at the minute, couple of mistakes here and there, a few problems, but yeah, all in all, come out alright, top 10, so hopefully going into the race, alright gate pick, and hopefully we can pick some more positions off.
Qualified, mate.
It was a tough one. Track conditions very slippy. It started to rut up nice towards the end, so got a couple of fast laps in. But yeah, tough conditions.
come past me, you threw it a bit bigger than you wanted to, because it was a fucking big old panic red. Oi! Well done, boy. Very good. Yeah.
The old shot, and then led for how many laps did you lead for?
Two laps, and then, the old just pumped up and fucking hold on to the thing.
You could hold on to the thing, I know what you're saying. And when we had our last chat then, Chris, you were telling me that you went to the burger van, you put an egg in this because you didn't have time to put any rad seal in, and we both looked at it, and your media man took a video of it. There was nothing coming from it, so it proves that an egg does work.
An egg does work for a small chip, but we had a bigger hole, so we've ended up JB welding it, and yeah, she's good to go.
Tough old track, didn't worry, but yeah. Tough old race. Yeah, tough old race that was. Track's starting to get rough now as well, so yeah. Good race.
Yeah, well, then I crashed and I didn't lost momentum. I pumped up, I couldn't grab the bike when I got up.
That was feeling then, Jack. It didn't look like you're having a good time then.
What a good time, mate.
Arms are gone.
You didn't look like your usual self then, mate.
We'll get there.
Had a really good start actually, good couple of laps, getting into the groove of it, and then had a bit of a lie down, so then that was pretty much the end of race 1, but looking forward to race 2 coming up.
Yeah, it was a good race. Didn't get the best of starts, about mid-pack. From there we pulled back through to about 4th. Yeah, finished 4th of the race. A little bit behind 3rd, but yeah, good for first race. Hopefully same sort of thing in the second one.
Tough one, track conditions really hard. Braking bumps are really harsh. Really deep ruts as well, so it was a bit of a challenge, not gonna lie. But no, looking forward to race 2, see what that brings.
Race 1, Caleb. How was race 1?
Yeah, not too bad. Qualifying didn't go great, but it never does. But yeah, race 1, I really enjoyed it. Really physical, demanding track, which is more suited to enduro riders, I think. And weirdly consistent. So my lap 1 was 2:19, and every single lap was 2 minutes 19. So I'm quite impressed with that. But ready for race 2 now. So hopefully it's same again. Yes. I'll have one after the race. Thank you though.
How was race 1 for the guys then, Rod?
All right, mate, good, yeah. Absolute mint of a whole shot of Chris there. Just let it eat, didn't he, off the line. Same again on this one, hopefully.
He's there.
first one, so I'll take it.
Morning, Jack.
Morning.
How you feeling?
Cold. Be alright. Once fog blows, it'll be alright.
How's the body after yesterday?
Not too bad.
Yeah.
Back's a bit tight.
How'd you get on race 2?
About the same as race 1. Not great, but we'll make improvements today. Better day.
Josh? How'd you get on race 2, mate?
Not as good as the first race. Thought I was going to be better, but I wasn't.
What are your goals for today, mate?
Just to get through it again and hopefully be better again.
Last round?
Yeah.
Looking forward to the off-season?
Yeah, definitely. It's cold this morning. Don't want any more of these.
Right now?
What from?
How did you get on yesterday, mate, race 2?
Oh yeah, really good actually. Not so good start, but then yeah, did a alright race to be fair. Not too many crashes, just steady away.
How's the body?
Yeah, good to go. Ready for day 2 now in the fog. Should be good. Bit more smoother today, so happy days.
Looking forward.
It's cold, isn't it, mate? It's freezing.
Yeah, good race, good start, and then was running up front, top 3 for the first few laps, and then a couple people got past me as I tired, like arms pumped up big time. Cheers, Ben. And then yeah, I think I got back to about 6th, so not too bad.
Yeah, it was alright. It was so fast, like dangerously fast. But yeah, it's good. I enjoy the track. So yeah, some fast boys in this class. So yeah, happy to yeah, finish in one piece.
That was loads better than yesterday, that mate. Yeah. Don't know what it'll be like afterwards though.
Yeah, better. Improvement. Track was a bit smoother, so it was a bit easier, but I enjoyed it more. In the battle with the people I should be, so it's good. One more to go.
Yeah, not too bad. Going good, and then goggles steamed up, so then I lost a few positions, but yeah, not too bad overall.
Decent start, but track was a lot better, but I just keep coming off all the time. Can't hold it together this weekend. Keep on going.
We're here again. Chris's factory bike.
Rod. Well, Rod.
Was I third for the first 3, 4 laps?
And then third for a few laps, yeah. I saw him and he fell off. Scotty, and I thought,
That was loads better than for me.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, he was just,
Still pointing. You went in real tight before the drop off. Yeah, that's what
Oh, don't take your goggles off. Oh.
Yeah, all over and done with, happy days. All good, good last race of the day.
Yeah, enjoyed it. Battle with Nave, so it was good.
You're battling all the way around, you two then, weren't you?
Yeah, it was a good one. Really enjoyed that, had nothing left, can't lie.
Dear me.
There you go. That's his new clean shirt, he's just got out of the shower as well. Yes, well done. Well, good, stand there, and he'll get your shirt and the banner. Yeah, that's why I got out of the way, because Colin loves all the champagne, doesn't he? He loves it. And where's your media man? Yeah, and hold your shirt up against there, but you got to get your Army logos in as well. And yeah, that's good. Get out of the way, the media man. There he is. Thank you for support. Right, and tell your media man to stay there. And what we'd like to do now, Chris, is keep your shirt there, and then get all the Army with you, surround you, because we need it for our website, your website, and the ACU. So all the Army, please, because, you know, everybody needs an Army in their life. Well, Emily definitely does. Right, come on, Army, we're giving them a big cheer when we get the whole squad there. There's loads of them. Well done, boys, you made the excitement of every time I turn around there was Army. So come on, any more on the chairs? Any more Army in the gang? Do you want to get a bit closer with me, camera? Get in the line. Ladies and gentlemen, they've been with us all season. I'd like everybody in the paddock, make some noise for the Army! And now we've got to get the ACU in as well, because, you know, got to do his handshake. Yeah, you go down the end. Little snap then. There you go. One final round of applause then, please, for the Army and the